The poultry industry in Flanders is characterised by highly efficient production systems. In 2023, about 36 million broiler chickens were raised in 552 commercial broiler farms, with a projected global compound annual growth rate of 7% by 2025. This increase of production due to further intensification shows diminishing returns because of health and welfare issues. These welfare issues result in both new commercial challenges and opportunities. Too much focus on intensification results in losses in productivity. Future regulatory frameworks. The willingness of customers to pay for quality of life labels is rising. As such, economic pressure, changing regulatory frameworks, and consumers that are willing to pay significantly more for meat with quality labels are driving forces for the broiler industry to reanalyze the cost-benefit ratio of investing in bird health and welfare. The Welfare Improving Monitoring Solutions for Chickens WISH project aims to develop welfare assessment by precision livestock farming systems that automatically will collect data and interpret broiler behaviour both under experimental and commercial farm conditions. With the aim of improving both production efficiency and animal welfare, the consortium will design and evaluate multiple sensor types for monitoring welfare and productivity, innovate solutions to enrich the living environment of broiler chickens. The project developed sensors suitable for monitoring individual animals. Inertial Measurement Unit, or IMU, to measure activity levels and number of steps taken. Ultra-wideband, or UWB technology, and visible light positioning-based real-time localization systems that can detect absolute position, relative distance to a specified point, relative distances between animals, movement patterns, movement speed, total movement over time. Commercial implantable sensors, or star ODI loggers, to detect body temperature, heart rate, activity, as well as flock-based sensors. Acoustic sensors used for health monitoring and stress indicators based on vocalization. Visible light sensing, or VLS, to extrapolate density and movement of chickens below the light fixture. Video, RGB or thermal camera, to detect visual appearance, spatial distribution and motion of broilers. These solutions have been validated in different real-life setups, specifically for automatically detecting stress factors such as gut health problems, respiratory disease, lameness and heat stress. The project also designed solutions to alleviate stress, lighting and enrichment innovations, i.e. dynamic LED lighting system, or multifunctional platforms combining different main functionalities. Conventional production process with high animal density and large surface. The project realized scientific innovations such as machine learning solutions for automatic activity recognition and anomaly detection, algorithms for the extrapolation of flock welfare and health based on small sets of tracked animals, data processing, validation and performance analysis, vocalization and video recognition for behavior and event detection. General results suggest that the use of these innovative multifunctional platforms, combining different main functionalities such as local cooling, manure removal, dark brooder, and additional elevated space, showed that these multifunctional platforms have a beneficial effect on litter quality and animal welfare. Considering the results of the project, different cost-effective toolboxes have been selected for commercialization.
Hello, I'm Tom. I'm a broiler farmer in Belgium with 180,000 broilers. In my opinion, smart farming can benefit us early warning system that can make us make decisions much earlier. That will improve, in my opinion, also welfare. We can also reduce labor, what is a big problem nowadays to find good workers or labor. So you reduce labor. That's all the benefit of smart farming.
To address these challenges, different parties were involved. Specifically, contract research organisations, or CROs, such as Pool Farm, that are hired as experts to experimentally assess the impact of broiler diseases, environmental conditions and nutrition programmes on production and welfare, commercial farms providers, such as Ruxel, animal location tracking and tracing services providers, such as Lopos, or smart lighting systems for the poultry industry providers, such as Explorentis. Universities and research institutes in poultry sciences, such as UGent and ILVO, research and development organisation in digital technologies, such as ID Lab and Waves, part of UGent and IMEC, and audit companies such as Vetworks that evaluate if commercial farms are in accordance with new regulations were involved. Deliverables of this project are animal welfare. WISH will allow monitoring the animal welfare in an objective and direct way, both to assess negative and positive states of animal welfare. Health monitoring, which could reduce mortality due to early detection of sick animals. These tools can be used in the field, but also in experimental settings that allow to develop novel innovations that promote welfare in animals, such as multifunctional platforms and light schedules. Sustainability and ecology, in accordance to the new technologies proposed. Antibiotic reduction, better standards of animal welfare and good hygiene practices can be pivotal in reducing and even eliminating the use of antimicrobials. Return on investment for the farmer, improvements in FCR and decrease in mortality.